Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there's a case inside of TCL Plex box. Here's the TCL Plex box and let's open it to see if there's a case inside. The first thing is this greeting card, then the phone, then underneath you get this accessory box with SIM card tray opener, and inside you do get a plastic case and some documentation. I'm gonna take out this plastic case. You can put it on your phone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.